Hi ABSS users, today, we'll guide you through the process of updating your company information in ABSS Accounting Connect or Premier Connect. Keeping your company details accurate and up to date is essential to fully benefit from the advanced LHDNE invoice features available in ABSS Connect. To update your company information, click on Setup in the control panel. From the drop-down menu, select Company Information. A new window will appear. This is where you can view and update your company's profile details. Within the Company Information section, ensure that you fill in all the relevant details related to your company. Now, let's take a closer look at the information you'll need to fill in under the Company Information section. First, enter your tax identification number. This is important for tax compliance and LHDNE invoice setup. Second, provide your official email address. This will be used for verification and any important communication from the system. Third, enter your MSIC code. This code helps categorize your business activity based on industry standards. Next, write a clear description of your business activity. Keep it concise but informative. And lastly, make sure to enter your full company address, including the street name, postcode, city, and state. All of these fields are required. They're not just for record keeping. They play a key role in enabling ABSS Connect features like the AI scan for automated data entry and the LHDNE invoicing functionality. Of course, if you'd like to fill in any of the optional fields as well, feel free to do so. The more complete your profile, the better. To complete the registration and activate ABSS Connect features, you'll be prompted to enter the same email and password you used during your initial sign-up. Once you've entered your login details, just click Login to proceed. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know that your company has been successfully registered with ABSS Connect features. Important note for LHDNE invoice users: to fully enable the LHDNE invoicing functionality, it's essential that you complete your registration on ABSS Connect. Once you've registered, please close the application and reopen it. This final step is crucial. It ensures everything syncs properly and your e-invoicing features work as expected. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video guide.